Hi guys, today I'll be doing this makeup look of Zero from Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas. Starting off, I put a white base on my face and neck. I used Mehron's Clown White Light Cream and applied that with a makeup sponge. Then setting that in with a white powder. Next, I'm taking a light blue color and putting it around my eyes. Then I'm using a darker blue color from my Mehron Paradise palette and putting that on my eyelids and under my eyes. From the same palette, I'm taking the black color to start making Zero's mouth. And then also putting that black over my eyelids and around my eyes. Next, I'm making some little whimsy eyelashes coming out of the corners of my eyes, along with some small line marks to shape the eyes. Adding a bit more blue around my eyes and around the mouth. And then smudging out the blue. Time to make Zero's cute little pumpkin nose. I made an orange circle using the orange from my Mehron palette, and then I'm going to let it dry briefly while I use a white eyeliner around my eyes. Also taking that white eyeliner to make some marks on my mouth. Going back to the nose, I'm using a black eyeliner to make a tiny pumpkin face. Touching up some little areas. Now I'm taking a black to start making Zero's shape. Then using a red to make Zero's color. Painting in everything black that's beneath the white. I just painted about halfway down my shoulders since I was just going to be taking photos. But if you plan on going out with this look, I recommend wearing something all black or long black gloves and just painting the exposed areas to make it easier. Now I'm just adding a bit of shadow. For my hair, I applied Mehron's Hair White all over my head, but you could also just wear a white wig. Touching up some white around my hairline and ears. And then going over some of the black lines. I also did another layer of paint over my chest and shoulders to make it more black. And there you go, there you have Zero.